In this episode of Blacklist Builds, we're going over Serg's 2018 Allroad rebuild. So this 2018 Allroad has a little bit of front damage. Not much of a hood latch left. Looks like there's a little bit of damage for the headlights, passenger side, driver's side as well. He doesn't need to replace any of the fenders or the hood. He'll just have the body shop straighten everything out. Same thing with the bumper as well. Looks like everything's repairable. A little bit of fiberglass Bondo and everything should be back to normal. In terms of the intercooler, there's a little bit of denting on the top portion, but doesn't look like it would do anything in terms of structural damage. The front radiator support looks fine, but obviously the front frame rails are a little bent. Driver's side a little bit more than the passenger side. Whoever was running this car before ended up overheating the car, so the head gasket's blown. This is actually a new air intake manifold. The old one melted because the engine got so hot. So this is the intake manifold. So it looks like it was melted from the overheated motor that is in the car right now. So Serg is planning to take this motor out and replace it with a different one. His plan is to put a bigger turbo into this car, which sits right about there, and he's planning to make roughly around 430 horsepower after the tune. Damage to the hood doesn't look that bad. It's a little bent down, so body shop should be able to fix this. In terms of other damage, looks like the fender was pushed back a little bit, so obviously front impact on the driver's side was greater than the right side, and passenger side fender looks like it was pushed back a little bit up top. But in terms of door clearance, looks like the door is able to open without any issue. Interior wise, everything is pristine. The rest of the car looks very, very clean. Serg says in about a couple of weeks the parts should be coming in, and he'll be offering a package for the stage 3 bigger turbo upgrade and the tune together. So you guys stay tuned for that. Although this was a very short video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm excited to see what is in store for this Allroad.